Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to apply a percentage formula in an Excel sheet. First, open your Excel sheet. Let's say you have a list of values in column A and you want to calculate the percentage of each value based on a total sum. Start by entering your values in column A. Now, type the formula equal to SUM, bracket open, click on the first value and on the last value while holding Shift on your keyboard and press Enter. This will give you the total sum of the values. Next, we will calculate the percentage of each value relative to the total sum. Type equal to and select the column of obtained marks, then add a forward slash and then select the total marks column while holding Control on your keyboard. Next, multiply the number by adding the asterisk 100. Now, to apply this formula to the rest of the cells, click on Cell, drag the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell. This will copy the formula to the other cells. That's it. You've successfully applied a percentage formula in Excel. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.